The wait is almost over, and the leaks are coming in hot. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra could be the most powerful Android tablet ever made, and the rumors already have Apple's iPad Pro fans worried. We're talking about a sleeker titanium design, a massive 14.6-inch AMOLED 3X display with insane brightness, the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip that might finally rival Apple's M-series performance, and yes, even a bigger 12,000 mAh battery with lightning-fast 65W charging. But that's not all. Samsung is bringing Galaxy AI straight to the tab lineup, making the S11 Ultra feel more like a futuristic workstation than just a tablet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In today's video, we're breaking down every major leak, every upgrade, and every reason this could be Samsung's boldest move yet. Let's dive in. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is one of the most anticipated tablets of 2025, and leaks surrounding it have already started shaking up the tech world. Whenever Samsung announces a new addition to its Galaxy Tab Ultra series, expectations skyrocket, and for good reason. Samsung has consistently managed to produce some of the most advanced Android tablets available, often outshining competitors with bold designs, powerful performance, and unmatched displays. But this time, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra isn't just expected to be a minor upgrade. It's shaping up to be one of the biggest leaps forward in Samsung's tablet lineup. Leakers and insiders suggest that Samsung is preparing to introduce a tablet so powerful and refined that it might finally close the gap with Apple's iPad Pro series, or even surpass it in key areas. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra follows the footsteps of the S9 Ultra, which already stunned the world with its massive AMOLED display, sleek design, and impressive multitasking tools. But fans and professionals alike felt that Samsung had more potential up its sleeve, and the next generation could take things much further. That's exactly why every rumor, every leak, and every insider detail about the S11 Ultra is being dissected by tech enthusiasts across the globe. Will this be the ultimate tablet for creators, gamers, and professionals? Or will it simply be another evolutionary step in Samsung's tablet journey? The excitement and speculation are higher than ever. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into every major leak and rumor about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra to uncover what makes this device so special. One of the first big talking points surrounding the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is its design. Samsung has been refining the Ultra series form factor for a while now, and it seems the S11 Ultra could be sleeker, lighter, and more durable than ever before. Rumors point toward an even thinner chassis, potentially the thinnest Samsung tablet yet, while still maintaining a massive screen size of around 14.6 inches. Yes, Samsung appears to be sticking with that gigantic display that has made the Ultra line famous, but this time we may see smaller bezels, improved durability, and perhaps even new materials for the frame. Some insiders claim that Samsung could shift toward a titanium build, following in the footsteps of its Galaxy S phones, which would give the S11 Ultra a stronger yet lighter body. This move would not only enhance durability but also improve the premium feel of the tablet. The display technology is another area where Samsung is expected to push boundaries. Early leaks suggest that the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra could feature a next-generation AMOLED 2X or even AMOLED 3X panel, with peak brightness levels that surpass 2000 nits, making it an absolute